Morning.
Welcome to Reveal, marriage free. First.
Morning na.
Why can't we just have a date? Why can't we just do this in our rebuild Fairmont Church, di ba? Why go all the way to Clark, Pampanga? Ilan naman tayo, taga Manila. Why are we here?
Actually, kanina, Ivy, nung tinitingnan ko, papasok ako dito ng building, ng room, nung tinitingnan ko yung landscape ng leadership natin, we're looking at that. And I was seeing, actually, this is the church leadership. This is basically the whole of Rebuild already. The ones who will carry the next 10, 20 years the strength of our church, which will be the strength of our community. If we do good something here, God can do something good with your family, but God can use this community to impact the city. Palakpakan natin sa Lord for that. I mean, when I see you and I see you, you're going to translate this to more relationship, more families. Ito yung impact. Pero tinanong niya kanina, bakit pa tayo magsasayang ng... Kasi pag church service, minsan 2 hours lang, tapos you have to really rush out, lalo na si Pastor Jeff, sinasagad yung 12 o'clock. Di ba sa inyo, gutom na talaga, di ba? So aalis na talaga tayo, but this time, we have like a whole day. Tonight until tomorrow to get to know each other. And my challenge is for you guys to get as much people you do not know. Our goal is for you to be comfortable with each other. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo. Tingnan mo yan. And I'm sure magkakakilala na kayo sa table, but there are people on the other side. Uy, bago yun. In fact, ako nga, Miss Karen, meron ako nakikita, uy, bago siya, uy, hindi ko siya kilala. Tapos kanina na-meet ko si Jake? James. At sa JC and Kim. So, sila na-meet ko sila kanina. Uy, sa IT sila, sabi ko, mamimiti rin, anak ko, IT din siya. So parang, tapos may namit ako naman kanina doon na iba na anak pala si Gus ni Alex. Sabi ko, matagal na ba yan? Since birth daw. Sabi ko, galing naman. So, kaya ko nalaman, oh wow, boy, girl, boy, girl. Yung mga details na you'll never know when you go to church.
Louder! 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 Mahina, mahina. Para wala, okay. Mahina yung sound.
Oh, ulit.
Okay.
One more!
Wow, wow. George, sumayaw ka, George. Kuya Brando, bigay na bigay.
Ito ni Brando.
Okay.
Brando! Good morning.
Good morning. Parang baby.
Okay guys, ito lang yung goal. You will lead your teammate without holding your teammate to line up here. Set, go! Walang hahawak.
Five, six, seven, eight.
A few moments later.
Anong sa'yo?